Yes. What's up, guys? So, I just woke up not too long ago. So it was been raining for the past 3 days and like nonstop. And my AutoWorks piping finally came in because I've ordered it like a month ago. But took a little bit to get here, but here I have in front of me. I have my car. So this is the old piping that I have with the Greddy blow-up valve, and here I have the new pipe. So it's just gonna go like this with the tile. What's it called? Yeah, blow-up valve. So it's just gonna go like that. It's gonna look cleaner either way. And then I have the one for the intercooler on the bottom. And yeah, my car has no bumper right now. So I took it off because to make it a little easier, you know. But yeah, another update. The car's been running fine, you know, in the camera. Car's been running fine. It's pretty quick. I just still gotta do the wastegate thing, just to pull it up my hood. But here's the turbo, pretty biggie if you ask me. But it runs and drives great, you know. I already got new fenders for it. My brother actually got them for me, so I just gotta take these off. But I want to wrap them carbon fiber to match my hood, you know. But yeah, I haven't driven the car in a while. Low-key miss it, but today I'll just take it out for a drive and to the car wash, you know. And let me just get to work. I'll show you guys what I gotta do. I gotta disconnect this one, change this one because this one's kind of broken, and loose this one and take these off because I also got the one that goes like that. So yeah, this piping has pretty good reviews on it, so might as well. What I use for these ones, the size is 11 because 10 does not fit, it's too small, and 12 is too loose. So yeah, I just use the impact. I'm gonna do it right now, show you how I do it real quick. But yeah, I don't know about you change it because look, it's kind of broken, but it is what it is. I just want to take everything off right now because I have 3 days. I mean, I've been having 3 days to put it on, but it's been raining. Today's actually a beautiful day, you know. So might as well change it right now. So I'm gonna get to that, show you guys how I do it and stuff. So alright, here we have the old one. I already took it off, everything goes off. So, and then here's the new one. This is the one that goes on top, that's the bottom one that goes in the intercooler. But that's a big ass difference. Too much pieces to this, and this is just too kind of, there you go. So I'm gonna just get to putting this on, you know. I woke up lazy as hell today. Well, piping and everything's connected, everything's on, but I ran into a little issue. Now that I put that, the piping that's right there, all goes like that. My intercooler decided to go crooked, and like, I'm trying to see if I have another, what's that thing called? Oh, it's one of those rubber things, I forgot what it's called. Either way, so I can put it right there where I put that one, so it can like set it more down, you know, because I don't know. But it looks nice now, no cap. It looks shiny, nice. It makes my engine bay look a little cleaner, you know. Shit. But yeah. So yeah. I'm gonna try to see what I can do right now. Make it work. Because I'm getting annoyed already. It's fucking hot. But yeah, let's do this. And yeah. And let me know if one of y'all knows how to restore carbon fiber. Because I need to restore this. It's messed up, so. Yeah, I'm gonna just get to do this. I'm gonna get going on this, get it done, because I'm getting annoyed. All right, I'll be back in a second. So it's been a couple days. So it's been a couple days since I installed the piping, and my opinion, for me, it feels like the car kind of woke up a little more. The reaction is way better. I don't know. The car just feels way more responsible, like more response, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna just go to the car wash right now, wash my car. I haven't washed it in a couple days, so.